Roccalvecce is a small village in the province of Viterbo, almost completely uninhabited. Its roots go back to an ancient settlement of Etruscan origin, whose walls still seem to tell the story of the past. In medieval times, it became a fortress and the seat of important feudal lords. At its center stands Castello Costaguti, which belonged to noble families such as the Gatti, the Baglioni, and the Costaguti, who continue to maintain ownership. The entire village and its castle have always been tied to the history of the relationship between the state and the church, being a site of intrigues, plots, and diplomatic negotiations. A rich and multifaceted heritage, without a doubt, for a place of unique charm and great architectural interest.